Here we have a 70 plate BMW X5 XDRIVE 30D M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with over £8,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention a few, we do have the M Sport Pro and also the technology packages. Now we also have the 22-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brake calipers behind. We then have the white exterior paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front grills and also the front splitter as well, and there's a look at that front end. Now we do also have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so as we make our way around to the passenger side, we find the side skirts running along the bottom. We also have the colour coded door handles and door mirrors, got the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you then find the roof rails. We also have the shark fin antennae and the rear spoiler. We also have the air suspension on this vehicle, so you can raise or lower the vehicle, which is currently set to the lowest setting. We then have the 360-degree cameras with the parking sensors and a visual display inside. Rear diffuser with the dual legs exhaust at the back. And we do also have the split tailgate, which is power operated. You press the button here on the remote and you find it will open just like so. Now inside of here you'll find we have plenty of space for whatever you may need. We can open the bottom half by pressing that button and fold the bottom half down. As you can see, plenty of space. We do also have the 2 extra seats inside of here, as this vehicle is a 7-seater. You would have seen them folded up on the photos. Parcel shelf as well running along the top. We then also have the storage nets on either side. Hooks as well. We also have the button just there for the air suspension, so you can lower the vehicle, making it easier to put things into the boot. Coming back out, press this button and then the boot will close again like so. Back around to the driver's side, you'll then find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a quick look at the interior, inside of the back you can see the full black leather seats. We have the fixed ISO points back here. We also have the foldable armrest in the centre. Got the M Sport style seat belts. They are electrically adjustable as well on this back row. We then have the brush metal handles, electric windows and also ambient lighting on the doors. Take a look at the front, you find the same leather seats with both the front seats being heated and again electrically adjustable. There's a quick look at both of them. The driver's seat does have the memory function, as you can see just there. Premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and electric windows, child lock for the rear, automatic lights just down there, automatic wipers and a multifunctional steering wheel which is electrically adjustable. Take a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will turn on. Now you can see we've got the stalk just there to adjust the steering wheel. The camera will focus just there. Cruise control, speedometer here on the left hand side, paddle shifters either side as well. Digital dashboard free from any warning lights. We also have the heads up display just up here, if the camera can pick it up. If any of these lights or screens are flickering, it is just the camera, they're not flickering in real life, it's nothing to worry about. So we've got the main infotainment screen, it's currently showing the sat nav, but plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. If you go on the main menu, then you can see we have the phone connectivity for phone calls, a range of media options. If you go on there you can see the different ones. We then also have the apps along with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Intelligent safety, making it a safer vehicle to drive. And further down you've got the dual zone climate control for the front passengers, ice cold air conditioning just here. We also have the heated seats as well on either side just there. Inside of here then you'll find we have some storage space, cup holders, 12-volt connectivity, wireless phone charging and also a USB port. Automatic gearbox with the different drive modes paired with the air suspension just here. Putting the car into reverse you find the reverse camera and the 360 view on the right. Put it into drive, change to the front facing camera. But if you go over to the left then you'll find we have the 3D view where you can go all the way around the vehicle 360 degrees, and as you can see as we make our way round then you can see each angle works just as you'd expect it to. Just going all the way around, as you can see they all work. Back into park by pressing P, you then have the electric handbrake, auto hold button and the hill descent control. Armrest here in the centre which can be opened up for more storage. That's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW X5 XDRIVE 30D M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you'd expect it to. As you can see, I'm now to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, now veering off to the left, or to the right hand side, staying straight on true. Now the steering wheel is electrically adjustable, the stalk just down here. It's also multifunctional with the paddle shifters either side, so if you wanted to stick the car into manual mode, you can simply tap on the pedals to change gear. You have the cruise control and speedometer buttons here on the left hand side, along with the volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard in front of us as well, which can show different bits of information. We also have the heads-up display just above there, which is currently showing the digital speedometer along with the speedometer for the current road. Now we do have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, which really does sound incredible. Well, if you listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. Now we do have the full leather seats as well throughout the vehicle, which are really comfortable. We've got 7 seats, and you can easily do 2, 3, over 400 miles in this vehicle, and still get out feeling fresh. We then have many more features as well. We've got the ambient lighting running all throughout. Main infotainment screen that's currently showing the sat nav, but again plenty of features on there you would have seen on the photos. We also have the intelligent safety, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. Automatic gearbox, which is really smooth going through all the gears. And we are about to take a right hand turn now onto the industrial park, so we put our right indicator on. We're slowing down, and we're going to take a right hand turn onto the industrial park, and then we'll perform an emergency stop now in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. Got the reverse camera, the 360 view, back into drive, and it changes to the front facing camera with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running for some inquiries with you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.